Walk in the middle of the street, you say? Well, okay then, let's go. We're back in Brickell today. I know this may sound strange, but Brickell's streets sport some of the most impressive gardening in Miami. We end up walking along Brickell Avenue often, and I never get tired of looking at the large median with its lush garden. The median garden stretches about 1.5 miles from Southeast 5th Street to the Rickenbacker Causeway, but I decided to start filming from Southeast 15th Street, heading south along the latter mile. Although I've come to find that Miami's drivers are surprisingly safe and considerate of pedestrians downtown, I didn't want to chance it in the more bumper-to-bumper traffic near the Miami River. This is already a little bit nutty to begin with. One small gem I missed by starting this far south is a bust of Mary Brickell just north of Southeast 7th Street. I'll just slip this extra video in here as a bonus. When we were heading out from home, the sky was mostly clear, so I expected perfect lighting for outdoor filming like this. But literally across the Miami River, we saw a dark bank of clouds heading north toward us. From the moment we stepped out our door, we were getting sprinkled with mysterious droplets that had us looking to see if someone's tub on a high floor was overflowing again. But soon we had to take cover for a bit as a brief shower went by. I certainly do appreciate how the greenery takes on a more lush look after the rain, but I would have liked a little more direct sunlight. Oh well, this is one of the little challenges of planning outdoor things in Miami. So yeah, I had fun risking my hide to bring you this video. It's been on my to-do list, and I survived with soggy shoes as the only casualty. I hope you enjoy the rest of the walk with me. Please do tell me what you think of this garden in the comments below, and I'd certainly appreciate it if you could spare a like too. Cheers!
Cadê o antropólogo? Cadê o homem da pesquisa com a estatística pra explicar essa carência mística? A mãe não te deu colo? Qual foi o trauma de infância? Na sua geração, pra explicar essa discrepância inédita, pode engolir seu fel, você não vai apagar as estrelas do céu. Por seu sofrer cessar. As estrelas do céu, a terra tem poder, o dinheiro não vai pagar.